Are you suffering with chronic cough, cold, rhinitis or loose stool? Are you having burning in the chest, on the face, inside urine or stool? Then this recipe is surely going to help you. This is known as mort dal recipe. You have to take 1 part of mort dal and add 18 times of water in it. Once the dal is properly cooked, you have to strain the water. Now temper this water with 2 tablespoons of cow ghee by adding dry ginger powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, long pepper and rock salt. You have to drink this recipe hot if you are having cold, cough, loose stool or weak digestion. This is a very good, strong, nourishing tonic. If you are having cardiac issues, it's a very good strengthening heart tonic also. Right food is your right medicine. Thank you.